Hello, this your boy Rummy, original barbecue bandit. I'm gonna be working on something today.
Yes, sir.
Two
Let's go.
expensive piece of meat. These are Tomahawk steaks. They're gonna be grilled on my grill. I'm gonna put them together real good. By the way, you see one of them $38. The other one was $35. It's an expensive piece of meat, so you don't wanna mess it up. I'm gonna put it together, and I'm making some pigeon peas and rice, and I'm gonna cook a nice cabbage. By the way, yesterday I roasted this ham here. I'm gonna be slicing that up, but I got extra guests, and they like that ham. Okay, listen, I'm gonna get back with you guys. I'm gonna run out to the store, and I'm gonna come back and let y'all know how it came out. Okay, it's boy Romeo, peace out. Okay, you guys, original barbecue bandit. Got them Tomahawk steaks on. I just put them on there. Let them cook. Just get a nice good char on them. Both sides, bottom, top, side. Then I'm gonna wrap it in some aluminum foil, and I'm gonna go in the oven. It's already got tenderized on it. I don't like my steaks rare or medium rare. I like to cook mine through, like to medium well. Okay? You'll see it when I get through. The juice is gonna remain. Okay. Call y'all, let y'all know something else in about 30-40 minutes. Already. Let's see what's going on here.
When everybody sleeping, I'm up working.
Look at that.
When everybody eating, I'm up working. Just call me in the morning, I'm up
Beautiful.
working. I thank Jesus Christ and get back to working. When everybody sleeping, I'm up working.
Hey.
When everybody eating, I'm up
You
working.
better pull them out.
Just call me in
On
the
that rap.
morning, I'm up working. I thank
You know what time it
Jesus
is.
Christ and get back to working. I'm working, I'm working, I'm working, I'm working.
Oh yeah.
I'm working, I'm working, I'm working, I'm working.
All right.
Romeo,
peace out.
I'm working.
There you have it. I'm finna wrap these jokers in foil. They're gonna go in the oven. Nice and tender. I don't like mine, like I say, medium rare or medium or rare. I like medium well. It's gonna be good still. Just a little pink on the inside. I don't like all that, red and all that stuff. Okay. To each his own. Okay. Got everything finished and ready. Pigeon peas and rice there. Got my cabbage. Bell pepper red, bell pepper and green peppers in it. The main attraction is right here, baby. Tomahawk steak, lemon cool, so the juice will regenerate. See how nice that is? Beautiful. Sure. Like that. And it's juicy on the inside. You know, the juice is coming. Look at that. Tomahawk steak. That's the ham in there. Got pineapples all on it. For my guests. And if you got leftovers, you can make breakfast. Some with eggs, grits. Make you a sandwich. Okay, peace out.
Flat screen, money in the wall behind my flat screen. Money put up for my family and for my team. Yeah, I did it for my daughter and for my dreams.
Look at that.
Yeah. When everybody's sleeping, I'm up working. When everybody eating, I'm up
Some of
working.
this.
Just call me in the morning, I'm up working.
This is when you don't like your meat red.
When everybody's sleeping,
Or you don't like too much of it. When you did this here, It's gonna slice right up, man.
I thank Jesus Christ and get back to work.
Straight up.
Look
at that. How did it taste, JoJo? You see that? That's tender, man. I'm telling you, we got going on. They said this is a whole bone here. You can eat that bone, see the meat right there. Just fall right out. I'm gonna get that to my dog. Fresh. She gonna have a good time.